Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on iPhone remains findable after power off setting on your iPhone. So when your iPhone on lost and even it's turn off, you can easily find that iPhone. So let's start video without wasting any time. And here you need to change some settings on your iPhone. So first of all, you close that, and after that you need to open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings section you need to scroll down and find here a option privacy and security. Tap on that. Okay, after tapping that you need to tap on location services. Okay, make sure your location services is turned on your iPhone. After that you need to go back and open iPhone settings again. In settings section you need to tap on Apple ID. Okay, after tapping the Apple ID you need to scroll down and tap on find my. Okay, tap on that option. Okay, now you can turn off your find my iPhone. As you can see showing here turn off, just tap on that. After tapping that you need to turn on, and after that you need to turn on all these settings on your iPhone. Okay, after that when your iPhone lost and even it's turn off, you can easily find your iPhone. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.